4th was July 3rd. They're going to have fireworks, and these cats are going to be terrified. Let's see how calm it is. Let's see what's going on here. They don't know what's going to happen. Hey, little ones. You know, they're going to have fireworks in a little bit. You guys are going to be terrified. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hey there, what's going on? What's going on? Hello, my love. Hello. We gotta make sure all the babies are gonna be all right. Let's see what's going on here. Oop, don't get on my feet. There's a little kitten there. Screw him. There's all the sweethearts. It's all calm. They're gonna have fireworks, so we're gonna have to like go in the house. You guys are gonna get scared. Yeah. Hello, my loves. Hello. Well, he's under there. I see a little one under there. Hello, my love. Let's see what's going on over here. Hello, little buddy. Hello. Oh, you're a good mommy cat. You're a very good mommy cat. Okay, I'm gonna step up here in the front. Yeah. Come over here, sit down. Come on, you sit down.
You're caving in the ground.